Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel, and if it's the first time stopping by, you're most welcome. In this video I will show you two products that you can use if you're suffering from acne, if you have pimples, if you have dark spots. These products will work magic. I've used them myself and they have really worked for me. So if you want to know which products I'm talking about, continue watching. Hi guys, so what you need, it's Colgate, you need toothpaste, you need Vaseline and a mixing bowl. That's all. So you will take your Colgate, your toothpaste, then you can put some amount there. That's your Colgate. Then you take a bit of Vaseline. You mix the two. You mix it. And that's all. This is what you get after you mix it. So let's go and put this on my face. So I have my mixture here. I will apply on my face, then we'll see the results. Yes, so before I apply, I want to show you my face. I used to have spots all over this side and on top of my forehead. I used to have pimples all over my forehead and spots all over. You can see some spots are healing, and I'm loving this product because it's doing the work. I used to have spots here and you can see the spots have faded. So without wasting any time, let me apply the paste. Toothpaste has special ingredients and they are drying agents. This is the major reason that make it an effective home remedy for acne treatments. Also, Vaseline petroleum jelly has been there for centuries and it is used to repair and heal and moisturize our skin. Mostly we apply this on the most affected areas. If you notice, maybe you have dark spots on your cheeks, on your forehead, you can put more paste there. I can say if you have a sensitive skin, kindly before you apply it on your face, try it on your hand so that you can know if it can work for you. And remember guys, it doesn't work for everyone because all of us, we have different skin and we have different skin type, so it doesn't work for everyone. But if you've been looking for a product and you have some stubborn dark spots and some pimples, try this. And when you do try this, come back and comment down below and tell me how it did for you. So I will just apply all over my face. I'm concentrating on these areas because I really want those spots, those dark spots to fade. I want those dark spots to fade. That's why I'm concentrating on my cheeks. As I showed you earlier, on my forehead, the spots have faded away. It's that simple, guys. It's nothing hard. And by the way, it burns a little, so if you can bear the burning, you're good to go. So I've applied. You don't need much because I've applied and it has gone all over my face. I've applied, so let me wait for it to dry, then I will tell you guys. So I can't wait to wash this off and show you the results. So I will go wash this off, then I will come back. I'm back. I've washed my face and let me tell you guys, my face feels so smooth and already I can see some results. And if I continue using these two products, maybe within a week my spots will disappear completely. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me your thoughts about these products. So until next time, bye bye.